Hi, today we are going to print weekdays by using the uh, switch function. So first of all, we need to create one class because as we have discussed in our earlier class that for writing any code in Java, we need to declare one class. So here we declared a class named as P1, and now today we are going to use scanner also, like how we are dynamically using taking the input from the users. So in that case, first we need to declare scanner sc uh, we have discussed scanner system.in. Okay, see, but here you are seeing that red line, right? It is because we need to import scanner first. Import java dot util dot scanner. Now see, there is no red line below of scanner functions. Now we need to take input from the users. In that case, first of all we have to tell to the user that please give any input like system dot out dot println enter your day. Like if you want to print Monday, you have to enter 1. If you want to print Tuesday, you have to enter 2. If you want to print Wednesday, you have to print 3, like this. And if you want to print Sunday, you have to give an a 7. So now we have to tell to the user that please enter your day, and now we have to take input. So for that we need to declare the data type. Then the data type should be int because we are taking int. Then we have the earlier defined scanner sc to scanner sc extent. In this way, now here the successfully user can know that I need to give input to the users. Now we have to write the switch statement. Switch, and we need to write n because we are taking n as an input. And the case 1 is, in case 1 we need to print system.out.println Monday. The first one is clear, and then we need to type the break statement also, so that our case will stop. Like see, if I give n as 1, then the system will give me output as Monday. Here it is okay, but when if I didn't use break statement, then it will give me as Monday also, then Tuesday, and then it goes continuously until it reaches last statement, last case, or it will comes to default statement. Now we have gone for the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm writing here for full description so that you guys are not getting any trouble to understand this basic question. and system dot out println, as in the earlier video we have discussed why we are using, right? 4 5 6 and 7, like this is for 5, this is for 6, and this is for 7. Now we got all right. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. See, if the user will give me 1 2 3 7, until 7 it is okay, but what will be the statement if the user will give 8, if he will give any other number except 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, like he give any negative number, he give any number, any decimal value number, any float value number. In that case we need to describe a default statement, like default system dot out dot println, and the statement is you have entered a wrong number, right? It is okay. And you have seen here, like for default statement I didn't use any break, we didn't require to use any break for the default. Now we will run. See, here the user, here the is asking me to write your day. So if I want to print Sunday, I give 7, enter Sunday. But if I give another number except 7, like if I run again, and here, and now we will give one as the I give 10. See, you have entered a wrong number. So this is the condition when your switch case statement is not matching with the case number which you have discussed earlier. So this is a basic question for the switch by using switch function. In later videos we will discuss more about that. We will introduce some new thing, like we have in the switch only we have to talk about fall through. So fall through we will discuss in next video. Thank you.